So the system, the science of Kundalini Yoga, it addresses that scientifically so that you start healing. So that's a good question actually. Because what he said is to get up to this level, you have to deal with the lower levels. In the lower levels, what do you have right now? All the pain prior to the Kundalini Yoga started. Every time somebody has hurt you, cheated you, given you pain, given you grief, he's taken a blade and he's sliced your aura. He sliced it. Your aura is shattered, is all gone. Your chakras have got twisted because of all the pain you've experienced in your life. The process of Kundalini Yoga is just repairing it. It's going and just building it up again. So when you're starting your Kundalini Yoga journey, you're crying a lot. Most people are crying a lot. Most people. So don't worry if you don't, because I said most. And you know why they're crying? Because they are releasing the poison and the pain which is there starting from the first chakra upward. And they keep crying and they keep experiencing different kinds of pain, different kinds of releases happening, because this is the area which is cleaning up first. Now, the magic happens when you have cried so much, like me for those 26 days. Oh my God. Morning 3:30 first class. Last class 9 o'clock at night. Whole day I'm crying. When you've released so much, you come to a space where you start crying from the heart chakra. Now, earlier you were crying because of the pain. Because the pain is coming out. Now you're crying because you're feeling so blissed. Because your heart is open, you're feeling so much love for everything, everyone. You're feeling so much love that when you're looking, you can see gold color everywhere. And this is the crying of the heart chakra. So once you clean, again answering your question, once you move up and you start cleaning, you move up, your heart chakra opens up. Then again you're crying because when your Vishuddhi chakra opened, because now you're crying because you feel so blessed that it's not your life anymore. It doesn't belong to Sonali, it doesn't belong to Sanaya, it doesn't belong to my mother, my father, nobody. It belongs to the service of mankind, planet Earth, Mother Earth. It's not my life anymore. But I'm crying because I'm glad I found that path. I'm glad that this Vishuddhi chakra opened and it's not my life. I don't do anything for myself. And you feel so blessed to be there, that's why you're crying. And then when your Ajna chakra open, you cry because you feel so good when you see the matrix decoded and you see the light everywhere. And then you stop crying when your Sahasrara chakra opens, because now you become part of the light.
Why Anahata of all the chakras?
Very good question. Why Anahata out of all the chakras in the body? Because when people talk about Kundalini Yoga, they talk about snakes at the base of the spine. They go like this, they come out of your head. Ajna chakra opens and, no. As far as I'm concerned, the only Kundalini Yoga that I want to teach you is where your heart chakra opens. I call it the first stage of enlightenment. It's Anahata chakra, where you experience love, unconditional love, the way your mother loved you, the way your grandmother loved you, that kind of love, where you experience that love for everything, for Srishti, not only human being, not only for dogs, not only for cats, for everything. When you come to that state of being, that's the first stage of enlightenment, and it's enough to experience heaven. But as a teacher, as a human being, in the Maya, in the Srishti that we are trapped in today, I call it the golden cage, which I will explain later on in some other workshop. In that Srishti, in that golden cage, in this Maya, inside this matrix, with all the Wi-Fi, with all of the politicians, with Trump, with all of those, the corruption, with all the pain that we have to go through, in that nonsense, when you open the heart chakra, you will understand for the first time in your life what it is to be alive, or what it is to be a beautiful lotus inside a swamp full of shit around you. That's why it's Anahata chakra.